So hello students, this is Safan here and today it is our lecture number 7 of class 8 of English language, and today our learning agenda is explanation of noun clause. So in this class I will define you what is noun clause, what is the function of noun clause, and what are the places or positions of noun phrase or noun clause in the sentence. Okay? So now students, look at the definition of noun clause. Before telling you noun clause definition, we must know what is noun. We know naming words are called noun, and clause is what? A group of words which has subject and verb but it does not convey complete meaning, that is clause. And what is noun clause? So a noun clause is a group of words that has subject verb combination and that works as a noun in a sentence. Okay? For example, whoever marries you will be a lucky person. So in this sentence, whoever marries you. Okay? So in this sentence, whoever marries you is acting like a noun clause, acting like a noun which is in group of words which has verb and subject, so it becomes its noun clause and it is the part of subject. So whoever marries you will be a lucky person. So we know noun function, noun defines subject, noun can be the part of subject of the sentence, noun can be the part of object of the sentence, noun can be the part of subject complement, and noun can be a preposition object. Okay? So in this sentence, whoever marries you is acting like a subject which is noun clause, will be a lucky person, and in second sentence, I want to eat what you are eating. So in second sentence, what you are eating is noun clause and it is acting like here object of the sentence. Okay student? So what is noun clause? So noun clause is a group of words which has subject and verb but it acts in the sentence like a noun. Okay? In this sentence you can see subject of the first sentence and you can see noun clause as an object of the second sentence. Okay, now I'll give you more information regarding this. So students, for noun clause, basically it's a subordinate clause. Noun clause is a subordinate clause which does the work of a noun, as we learned in noun phrase, and now we are learning it in noun clause. Okay, they act like a part of speech. So it's a subordinate clause. It always starts with the following conjunction. Which conjunction? I have mentioned all the conjunctions from which they start. Okay? What, whatever, when, whenever, where, which, whichever, who, whoever, whom, whomever, that, why, and how. From these conjunctions, so noun clause starts with, and the important thing is here that clue word for noun clause for its identification is what? So noun clause always give the answer of what? This is the main thing we can see in noun clause. Okay? Though it plays different roles in the sentence for making sentence, but it always gives the answer of what, whether it comes in the beginning, in the mid, or at the end of the sentence in the shape of clause. It always gives you the answer of what. Okay, now I'll give you in what places we can put noun clauses.